Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own online community inside the system.io. Even if you are a complete beginner, I will show you everything step by step. Whether you are building coaching business or course or just want to private space for your audience, system.io gives you a free and simple way to do it. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you have to do is just simply if you have created an online account already, just simply sign in. And if you don't have created an account, just simply click on the start for free now. Now, as you can see here, it will ask you to your email. I will give my email, which is this one, and just simply click on the get my free account. Now it will take you to this page. Tell us more about you and get 40% discount on your system.io plan. Now, do you already have a business? Yes, I'm an offline business, let's say. What kind of business do you own? It's like teaching, editing. Click on it. What is your annual revenue in USD? It is just simply I will add the figures. What's your phone number? I will skip this part because I don't want to show my number. Now it will ask you what is your system dot account email address. It will be tech serve. Let me copy my email because I don't remember and it is not suggesting as well. So what I will do is just simply go back to my system.io, sorry, in my Gmail and paste over here. Click on the submit. So almost there. Now exclusive offer or new user on this page, rate pair. Now what you can do is just simply save 40% on your system.io plan. If you if you want to buy this, you can do that as well. I will simply click on the get started. Now click on the tick here to advance this offer. No, I don't want to that. You need to confirm my email. So okay, I have to confirm my email. I will go back into my Gmail and let's create last name, give and confirm the password. Now click on the save. Now paste a new password. Password doesn't match. So again, I will re-enter my password. Give me a second. Okay. Uh, give me a few seconds to fix this error. I don't know what. Now we have successfully logged in our dashboard. So this is a dashboard. So I forget that if you don't know what is the community in system.io, it is basically a community is like your own private form or forum or group space where you member can join and post content, comment, interact with each other like a private Facebook group, but without a distraction or ads. So yeah, you can use this for that. Now, what you can do is go to the community section. So to find the community section, what you can do in the top, there are tons of options. Just simply hover on assets, then go to communities. From here, you can create communities, manage communities. So this is a basic overlay of this. Now let's create a community. In the right side, there is an option called create community. Just simply click on it. Now you have to decide what will be your community name. I will choose maker, and then domain name will be techserve at 4 or let's change if we can change our domain name. So I will change to maker. Let's see if it is available or not. Okay, it is not available. Now in the path you have to give your maker. Okay. So now after the path, there is an option of automatic post approval. You can just simply disable. Now I will just simply choose enable because it goes automatic post approval. Just simply click on the save. So we have successfully created our community. Now what we can do is just simply click on this three dots and we can view it. Now, so yeah, now to open your community, what you have to do is just simply click on it and let's copy, let's search. It will take you to this where you can manage or you can just simply click on the view. Let's see if it is okay. So this is where you can customize anything related to your community. Now, as you can see here, just simply there is a community option. Now, let's log in with our email. Let's say what we can do with it. Click on the sign in. Now, okay. Uh, this is, I think, wrong. Okay, we have successfully opened again our community. So whenever you click on this name, it will take you to the community dashboard where you can add a new post, where you can add something like you can create a spaces, you can create like a lot of things over here. Now let's create a new post saying that hello everyone. So path will be hello everyone, and choose the topic if you want to choose, or you can create a new one. For example, I will choose YouTube topic and hit enter. Now you can paste content over here. For example, I will just simply click on the add. Now go to YouTube. If you want to add a YouTube video over here, now what I will do, I'll just simply add some emojis to show you like this emojis are funny, and click on the add post. So this is a whole. Now let's say if you want to create like if I created something over here, it will create a topic here. Now what you can do if you want to create a topic, right? Now let's create a simple topic like announcement. So announcements, and give a path announcement and click add topic. So this is a basic topic where you can post anything related to announcement. It will not appear on the home page like this. And this is because I have added from home page. Now if you go to YouTube topics over here, you will get to see this topic as well. Now let's create a member questions. If someone wants to ask a question, member questions, and hit enter, and then give a path, click on the add. So this is a topics where you can discuss anything, write post, you can create add images, or you can create a spaces which like a categories or group inside your community. For example, these are the topics as I said. Now if you go into members, from here you can manage all the members. Like for example, if you want to ban someone, from here you can ban a specific user. If you want to invite some user, from just simply click on the invite new member. You can add over here, add a new member by his adding by his email or anything, like username if he has account in system.io. Now let's say if you go into setting, you will be get to see there is a, you can manage your setting of your community. You can change the name of your community, you can change the part of your community. You can add a file, or you can add a like image over here. Now like what is the community type, you can choose who can view and join the community. Like it is, if it is private, then someone can only join the community upon invitation from the owner. But if it is public, then anyone can view and join the community. Now if you disable the automatic post approval, so just simply save. So over here you will get to see there is a option of pending. So someone, if someone created a post, so it will appear over here to a owner. If it is like, if owner wants to approve, then it will approve. If it is, if it does not want to upload that post into his community, then it will decline. So it's like a censorship. It's a simple meaning. Just simply click on the settings. Not exactly censorship, but owner can manage the post. So yeah, this is that. Once you are happy with everything, it's time to invite people. You will find your community link on the top. Just copy it and share it on your website, email, and social. Wherever you can, like where you want to manage, like where you want to share it, you can share it like website, email, social media, and anything. So anyway, now if you already have a sale funnel or lead magnet, uh, you can go to funnel and automation rules, and uh, you can set a rule when users subscribe, add to community, choose your community from list. Now anyone who signed up through your funnel automatically gets added to your community. It is super powerful to your small business or a project. So that's it for today's video. We have successfully created our own community inside system.io. It is completely free and without using any extra tools. You can use it for coaching, courses, digital products, or just to build a loyal audience. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and please give us a feedback into comment section. Uh, Now